I just came back from outside, and I thought I will just declutter my the makeup travel bag that I carry, and kind of show you what I carry. So firstly, this is the bag that I use. I just recently got it. I had another one, but that was too bulky, and this one is just the right size for me. And this is from Max. I will link down the bag for you. This is from Max, and when I bought it, it was on discount for around 400 rupees or something, but now you are getting it at 500, and they have cash on delivery as well with 30 rupees charges. So this is the huge pouch. Can you see there's a lot of space? And I because generally if I'm traveling, I don't carry an eyeshadow palette this big. I carry something teensy tiny, but it was my sir, and I was like, I knew I would need this, so I carried. And the good part about this bag is that it can hold this big of a palette in this. So that's one thing I've carried. Let me know if you want me to review this palette for you guys, and I will do that. So that's the first thing I carry, and the next thing I have is my favorite Huda Beauty highlighter palette, and that also fits in this, so it's perfect. Otherwise, I have small bags as well, but they don't carry, they're not able to carry this, and I use my travel makeup and all of that. So then I have my lens solution. This is the aqua lens solution, which I got it from my from Lenskart haul, and I carry that. And can you see the whole bottle just sits without sleeping? So that's a good thing. And my current favorite is this Purple's primer, which I am using it. I'm just testing it out. I won't say it is a favorite, but I'm testing it out still, and this is what I carry as well. I carried a full size bottle of perfume. Typically I don't do that kind of crazy stuff, but I carried it this time around. This has become my current favorite and current staple, and it's by Cartier. So this is, again, I carry in this huge ass pouch, and you can see I've kept all the big stuff in it, and yet there is whole lot of room for more products. So I have space there, and I will keep that there. And the best part is you can keep your safety pins or little knickknacks in the behind where there's a zip. Currently I don't have anything in that zip, and because I'm not a person who does a lot of hairstyles, because I have very thin hair. And this is my beauty sponge that I'm using. I have used it a lot over the recent days, and I need to wash it, and I will wash that once I reach Bangalore. This is from Pune store, and I will link that as well in the description for you. Apart from this, you can use the drugstore companies sponge as well, which is really good. I have that one as well, but that was dirty, so I got this fresh, brand new, but it's got dirty right now. That is what I carry. And the next thing I have is my Huda Beauty foundation. As you can see, I use it a lot, and it's just stained. So that's again something I carry. And then I have this blush from Wet n Wild, and I use this a lot, and you can see the stains tell you the condition and the usage. So I just carried the Focalure Faces one as well, but I didn't use it. This has a bit of shimmery particles, and I was not in the mood to do something too shimmery, so I carried that. But I use this. Even this has shimmery particles, Wet n Wild, but it's not that visible than the Focalure one. So I need to buy myself a blush that works well for me. And this is the Sugar Contour de Force mini bronzer. I use this, but I'm not that happy with this product. It's okay, it's very subtle, but it doesn't make a lot of difference. It just gives a little pop of brown, but nothing too visible and too out there. So I carried the Color Bar primer because I love this primer. This is the most amazing primer. I My first favorite would be Lakme's. That is like God sent. I really love that, but I wanted to try Color Bar, and I do love this purple. I'm still trying out. I have mixed feelings about it. I want to try a couple of more times and then give my verdict. And then I have Fit Me's powder. This one I really love. Only thing I would change is I would go for a shade lighter than this one. This one is like literally the shade of my skin, which is good if you just want to bake. But if you want to, like, bake better and give that defining, then I think I need to go for a lighter shade. So I will keep that in this, and you can see there is still a lot of space even after keeping that. So I can even keep this, just make it sit, and I still will have enough space to go ahead and keep my other stuff. So this is a handy pouch I came upon. And then I have my concealer from Maybelline, which I carry because I cannot live without it for some reason, which is very obvious. Then I have kept the Good Vibes Tea Tree and Papaya Oil Control Serum in this. I have some more skincare. Yeah. And apart from this, I have kept Borolin as my lip balm. This is the best lip balm. If you don't like those heavy lip balms, or if you don't like those heavy scented lip balms, then this is bomb.com, and it's just 38 rupees, 40 rupees, and you just need just a nail size to use it, and you're good to go. So this is, again, I have it in this. Then I have my comb over here. I have this sugar pouch that I received when I made a purchase with them. So I have all the shades that I need. Like, there are tons of it. These new lipsticks from them. It's About Time Vivid Lipstick, the Twilight Rose, and yeah. So I have again Better Call Salmon, and then I have Coffee Light, which has become my absolute favorite. And there are a couple more like Anastasia and yeah, Sugars, some more, and I've kept one eyeliner as well in that. And I think one more eyeliner is over there. So all of these are in that. And so these are all the lipsticks I ever own also, I guess. But no, I've kept some of them at home, and some I've picked up, which I thought I'll use it. But because of the COVID, even if you apply, you are not able to wear it because you're wearing mask, and doesn't make sense. So all of this, even the huge lipstick pouch, has just fit into it, and there is still a lot of room in it, and I can keep my other stuff that is there. So when I have the liner. This is the current obsession, like the current favorite, and the current favorite from Sugar the haul that I made. This has become my absolute favorite because I have greasy eyes, and any eyeliner on the earth makes it smudgy, but this one doesn't. So I definitely love that. So since I was just traveling to Mysore and I was not going on any vacation, I got all of my makeup brushes. So these are like the entire set of 24. It's again from Pune store, and if you're looking for any affordable brushes, then you can head to Amazon and purchase these. I think they have a set of 12 and a set of 24, and I think 32 as well. So I bought the set of 24. It has all the brushes that you would ever need. So yeah, these are the ones that I have. And yeah, let me just open this flap. It opens like a flap, so you get this pouch free with it, and you can see the logo. It says Pune store. This is a big fan brush. This is another brush that is good for, like, contouring and everything. So yeah, contouring brush. So they have names on these, so you don't have to worry about it. You can see this is a blender brush. It is like this. And you have the foundation brush over here, which I don't use because I love my sponge. So you have eyeshadow brush, and this is another eyeshadow brush. So yeah, these are all the ones you have. And you have a small fan brush, you have the lip ones as well, and you have a spoolie, you have I've used this, yeah. As you can see, you have a spoolie, you have a smudger brush as well. So you got everything. You have the comb and the brow thing as well. So you have all the brushes in this entire set. Anything you would need, it'll be in this. You have every brush in this. And yeah, I carried it to Mesa, but if it for me, I wouldn't have done that if I was traveling elsewhere. But I'm a very heavy packer, to be honest, and I tend to take every single thing with me, and it's my adat to do that. So I'm trying to be as minimalistic as possible, but I just cannot live with less things in my bag, I guess. Apart from everything that I have in my pouch, I've kept some of the things which I'm using daily, and I don't want to keep bothering that pouch. So this is the micellar water that I use, and I have kept a spare Aqualens at home in my store in case I forget it. And then my absolute favorite Good Vibes cucumber toner, and another serum which I am using a lot, and it's almost done, so I just want to finish this up. It's the vitamin C, and can you focus? Yeah, it's the vitamin C and vitamin E age defying serum. So that's that. And I have my lenses, both colored and non-colored, and I've kept this comb which is good for detangling after I take my bath. And this is the tea tree gel that I'm using. It's become my current favorite. And yeah, so I'm using the MAC Prep and Prime Fix, so I've kept that there itself. And my body lotion which I'm currently using, this my sister got it from New Zealand. This is one that I used to carry in my bag, which is empty. And the sunscreen, which I never do without. So this is all that I use. I'm using daily, so I've just kept it there. And I have my handbag pouch here. Just don't go by the looks of it, it's like 5 years old, and I'm in no mood to change it, I guess. This is pretty much empty right now because all of my products are I don't know what the garbage this is, but yeah, whatever. All the products that I want are in my travel bag, so I have not used this much. I just kept it because I needed one or two things. This is the spare lens case which I always carry, and these are my tablets which I need. So I keep one at home, one in my bag, one to travel. And this is a comb that I carry. It's a small tweezer comb, and that I got from Jealous 21, I guess. And I have a travel size face cream and a clip, and that's it. I've not kept much because I'm any which ways carrying my the travel bag, and that's why this one's partly empty. And some of the lipsticks I moved from here to there, and the eyeliner, the plum coal which I always keep in this, is also moved there. But yeah, this bag is really handy if not for this flimsy foil that's coming off. It's always been there. It's double layered, so it's very protective. There's pouches over here, and there's a slot for a camera as well, mirror as well. So that's that. Yeah, that's all I have. And if I'm traveling like someplace else where I know I'll not be using as much makeup, and I'm just like doing something on the get-go, then I don't carry this much stuff. I carry very minimum stuff, and I always carry the travel sizes. That's it, guys. I hope you all like the video, and please do like, share and subscribe, and keep watching.